How'd you all brave that windstorm we had last night? Here's how we did. Very, very lucky. Let me know in the comments below if you had anything happen to you like this. As you can see, it definitely missed the side of the house except for the one branch that comes up this way. And all of this would have done way more damage to the house. Now over here, it did hit our tank, so we still have to go investigate the tank. I'm assuming the tank is fine. It barely missed our lawnmower and the rest of the stuff we had through here. So overall, we got very lucky with the storm last night and the high winds. I mean, this is just crazy. I cannot believe this. So noticed it barely hit the house there as well. So we're gonna have to probably fix a gutter. I'm assuming it's not too bad in the corner. One, two, three. Getting a good pile going, slowly getting it cleaned up. Tank actually seems very, very good. Did not hit the lawnmower hardly at all. There's a little dent where those boards are right there into the house. It just kind of cracked it a little bit. Other than that, so far, that is all the damage that we see out here. So now we're just gonna get some of this brush so we can start the lawnmower up, get the lawnmower to come this way so it's out of the way. Alrighty, as you can see, getting a lot of it taken care of. All the brush is pretty much done. I got a good pile going over there. So now we're gonna work on the other side. Dad's already been over there taking care of that. We're gonna work on that side, and then we're gonna attempt to get that limb off the house right now. So yeah, that's the plan. It's almost all the way through.
It's gonna fall.
Good? Yo, it's officially time. It's starting to creak and crack, and it's starting to come this way away from the house, which is a good thing. So Dad's gonna get on the roof. We're gonna cut that one branch off that could go into the house. Once that part's done, then we got cleanup duty to do. So we're doing good. Oh, cool. If you can push it so it doesn't hit our our post, that'd be amazing. There it goes. Nice. And there we go. It's on the ground. That is one big tree. So there we go. Obviously it's on the ground, which makes me very, very happy. Yeah, all we have left to do is cut this puppy up. We got a couple more pieces to cut up over there, and then we gotta take care of the brush. That is gonna be another day, so I will see you probably tomorrow. Something I want to mention really quick is our tank did not get hit. Obviously branches were on top of it. I showed you that, but everything is great. There's no leaks, there's no nothing, so that was fantastic. Our lawnmower sat there, and we actually dragged the lawnmower out here under the tree and put it right there so it didn't get hit. Our other one is over there with some more stuff. Overall, this went down way better than we thought it was going to. The roof is fixed, which is amazing. And the only thing we have left to do is fix that gutter right there. That is it. Let's get some brush cleaned up. Why, hello everybody. You can obviously tell I am on the top of the roof. It is the next day. We're gonna be getting that stuff cut up and cleaned up. I wanted to show you really quick the patch on the roof that we did. So obviously you can tell the newer panels versus the sun faded ones. So the patch is completely done, all secure now. This right here as well, as you can see, we had to buy a new one. We normally have white ones. I had to go with this one because this is the only one that had in stock at the store. So yep, obviously you can tell where the tree hit. We're not really worried about any of that stuff. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go check out our corner of our gutter over here. So Dad bent it back a little bit, but that's about as far as we went because we gotta get a tall ladder back here and I gotta get that stuff cleaned up first. But then we can really check out the corner. But as of right now, it all looks good. So sweet, let's get on the ground. Let's start wood chipping.